Hello children, today we are going to write letter Y. Y says year. Y says year, yo-yo. Now all of you look carefully how ma'am is writing the letter. You have to make the small slanting line first. So start from this red line. Make a small slanting line and stop here. Now you have to make a big slanting line starting again from this red line. Go down, touch this small slanting line and down and stop at this blue line. Now see how ma'am is writing on this dot. You have to make the small slanting line first starting from the dot. Go down and stop at this blue line. Now you have to make the big slanting line starting little away from this dot. So we will start from here. You have to go down and make a slanting line. Touch this small slanting line and come down and stop at this blue line. Now once again look carefully. Make a small slanting line starting from the dot. Small slanting line, stop at this blue line. Now second big slanting line you will start making from here, little away from the first dot. Start from here, go down, touch this small slanting line, down and stop at this blue line. Now like this you have to write the whole page. It's so easy children. Happy learning!